I failed level 4 module 4 three times and I passed with 87% mark. So I know very well what types of questions you are going to face in your real exam. Most of case we are doing job and taking preparation for the CIPS exam. When I designed this practice test, I consider all of these issues, and with the new syllabus and new books 2024, I designed this practice test. So I marked each question in the priority base and give the page number, lesson number, topic name, and it would make you very easy to practice the full books. If you cover any single topic like make or buy, then if you go to the questions, then you can easily filter those topic, and you can get the all of the similar questions or all of the questions you are going to face in your exam. I did the hard work here. I read the full books attentively. Also, I divided 6 practice tests sequentially and in a logical order to ensure covering full books, previous exam questions, as well as from different study groups what students are sharing. So I believe if you practice all question sets attentively, you can pass the exam at the first attempt. So best wish for you, and good luck for your CIPS exam.